a tour of my current hair toy collection. I absolutely love this mesh thing. I got it, I think it was supposed to be something to organize the trunk of a car. You string it across the car, but it has been used for this purpose for quite a while and it works great. Almost every kind of hair thing fits in it. Like I have a carabiner on the side here for elastics, and other than that, so let me start at the top. I have, this is a hair fork, but it's just decorative because it's not strong enough for me to really use it to like hold a style, but I can put it in afterwards. I do not remember where I got this. This was many years ago, and same thing with this hair fork. It got chewed on by my dog when she was a puppy, and she's now 13 years old, so that's how long I've had that one.
Where's the other brush? Hey.
Then I have my Lila Rose Flexis. I love them, so naturally I signed up to, have an affiliate relationship with them. So when I recommend them, if you purchase them through me, then I get a little commission, which just made sense because I use them all the time and they're so pretty and I love to share them and I love to tell people about them and say, you should try it because it works in all kinds of hair. This is the mega size. What I like about the Flexi the most is it's a hair slide where you can't lose the stick. The stick is attached. This makes me very happy. Also, when my kids were real little, if I had a hair stick in, they just pull it right out. And this one they can't pull out. It has these grooves that make it hold very solidly.
Mommy,
Yes.
why can I paint this? We're gonna paint. I'm painting this.
Whatever. He's using my eyeshadow. This is another mega. So these are the same size. You can actually squeeze them a little bit if you need it to be a little longer or if you need it to be a little shorter for whatever style. This one is the extra large, backwards. It's got a little peacock on it that dangles down. I love the colors. I love the dangle. That's one of my favorites. Those two sizes I use a lot, so I kind of need to get more of the extra large. Then I have these medium ones. This one has a little honeybee hanging on it, purple, and I have two sizes of the purple one. I don't know, Garrick. I told you I don't know.
Body.
Okay, so these are size medium, these are size large. I found it very helpful to have Flexis in every size because, I can do a half up with these. I can do like a peacock twist with these. I can pin back just a little corner like a barrette with this. This is the size mini. This is the extra small. So I really recommend having at least one in every size. This is a topsy tail tool, which for years I was like, I can flip my own ponies. I don't need a tool. But I found that there's some pretty cool styles being done with flipping in various ways that it's just easier to have the tool for. Then I have this is a clamp, so for, setting my hair aside if I'm doing a style and I need to set a section aside for a minute. And then I have all my little Amish, you can't even see them because they blend right in, but all my Amish pins that I love. Stainless steel. They replace bobby pins for a lot of things. So there are certain applications where you want regular bobby pins, but these are really great for tucking the ends, pinning in the ends of buns and updos. I mean to try spin pins. I have not tried those yet. Someday I will try those. What is that noise? Oh my. This is actually a letter opener that I think I got this on wish.com. And I was like, yeah, it could work as a hair stick. I don't use it all that often. It's not designed to be a hair stick, obviously. So just as a decorative element sometimes. I liked that it had an ohm on it. I'm Hindu, so I really need to go to Etsy and get a hair stick that has an ohm on it. This is a hair stick with a little dangly bee on it, just like kind of matches this one. This is also, of course, from the same company that makes the Flexis, the Lila Rose. This is my newest hair stick. This is from Etsy, Hair Gems. And I'll have the link for all the ones that I remember where I got them from in the description box. This one was not quite what I wanted it to be, I guess, but it's very pretty. It's got lots of beads and stuff. This part that comes down, you're supposed to, here, let me do it over here. So you put the stick through, and then you have this that dangles below, and then you attach this, you clip it to the other end of the stick, and it like dangles below your bun, which is such a cool idea. But my hair is so long and big that this never dangles low enough to actually be seen. And the clip is so weird to me. I feel like this is Dollar Tree gems next to like really beautiful beads. Like they don't match. So I kind of wish that this part, the clip, was not decorated at all. But anyway, it's still lovely. This pair of chopsticks are really long. They're like chopstick size chopsticks. These came with the special edition of the World of Warcraft expansion with the, oh gosh, I can't remember what it's called, Pandaria, where they have the Kung Fu pandas in it. So they are meant to be hair chopsticks, I think, but they're really big.
There are lots of these.
I don't have that many of those. There's a few. These are swerves, so they are kind of like hair forks. This is something else that Lila Rose, the Flexi makers, also make these. Just one can hold my hair in like a bun or a French twist or something, so those are super convenient and useful to have as well. What? That's not a brush, that's mascara. Okay. I picked up these barrette bows at the thrift store. They're like super 80s old-fashioned, and I was like, there are times when I want a giant bow in my hair, so I'll get them just in case. And then at the bottom I have these clip-in hair extension things. These are not as long as my hair, so I don't really use them for decoration in my hair so much as for when I'm doing videos where it helps to see different sections. So like braiding videos, I'll put these in so that you guys can see where the different sections are going. So that's what those are for. But yeah, that is my whole current hair toy collection. It's not super extensive. But I have some new ones on the way. For my birthday, I ordered a pair of crescent moon hair sticks. So they are actually shaped in a swerve, and you can use them in styles that use hair sticks. I've never tried it before. They are super cool looking, and I have wanted to for years. So I'm really excited for those to come in, but they might take a while. I don't know if they're going to fit in this mesh, actually. they might need to go over on the bookshelf. But I will definitely be showing those off when they arrive, and I've got some styles in mind that I think they would be really good for. All right, see you next time.